Sara has a white dog. The dog's name is Max. Max is very friendly. Sara and Max play every day. They play in the garden. Sara throws a blue ball. Max runs and catches the ball. Then Max brings the ball back. Sara pats Max on the head. Max wags his tail. Sara gives Max water. Max drinks the water. Sara sits under a big tree. Max lies down next to Sara. Sara reads a book. Max sleeps near her feet. Sara smiles at Max. Max opens one eye and looks at Sara. They are best friends. Now, some questions about the story. What color is the dog? The dog is white. What is the dog's name? The dog's name is Max. Is Max friendly or mean? Max is very friendly. Where do Sara and Max play? They play in the garden. What color is the ball? The ball is blue. Does Max catch the ball? Yes, Max catches the ball. What does Sara give to Max? Sara gives Max water. Where does Sara sit? Sara sits under a big tree. Does Max sleep near Sara's feet or far away? Max sleeps near Sara's feet.